Hey everyone, and welcome to Randy Marion Chevrolet. Today we're going to take you on a tour of one of our 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500s. This model is the RST. It's also equipped with the Black Ops package from Tuscany, so you get a lot of awesome goodies on the exterior. We're going to start up front here with the steel front bumper. You'll see Black Ops is down in the lower section, along with it retaining the parking sensors. This has a bull bar that houses a 40-inch LED light bar as well. There's red toe hooks underneath. We have a very nice grille design, and right in the center we have the color matched bow tie, which is finished off in satin steel metallic. This is a very unique color option for this particular vehicle, and I really like how it matches well with all of the black accents. You'll see this features a Tuscany hood replacement with more of that matte black right in the center. And then as we make our way to the side, you'll see the Black Ops badge with some more of that grille mesh just to tie it in nicely. We have oversized fender flares, just giving it a very nice look. They have more mesh on the back side of them. And then this truck also features a BDS suspension lift. You'll see there's 35-inch mud terrain tires with a 20-inch wheel finished off in matte black. You can see the red brake calipers behind that, and it matches the suspension components as well. Those are finished off in red. And that leads us onto the door panel now. You'll see we have moldings on the lower section just to add to that aggressive appearance. The Black Ops badge is in the front section of it. And then being a lifted truck, you need an easy way to enter and exit the vehicle. So we have the power folding side steps. When you shut the door, they will automatically retract, giving it a very clean look. You'll see we have the same fender and wheel and tire setup in the rear. And then making our way to the back of the truck, we have a color matched rear bumper with side steps. This also has a custom powder coated exhaust. You can see the dual exhaust tips on both sides. This truck also features the color matched hardtop bed cover as well. So with it unlocked, we can easily open this up, giving you a lot of dry storage space. And then one of my favorite features is just by pushing on that button, the tailgate will automatically open up, and you can see just how much space you have in the back. This is a very light tailgate as well, so you can easily close it with one hand. And then we have the strap here to go ahead and close this up. Hopping into the 1500 with the Black Ops package now, we have a lot of awesome materials on the inside. We're gonna also start though with the sunroof, so we can easily open that up, and then you can get a better look at these leather seats. They're finished off in Alcantara as well, so you can see those running throughout. We also have the Black Ops badge right on the top of the seat there. And then this also features carbon fiber trim pieces. You can see that around the dash, it's on the steering wheel, it's also down on the doors, and you can see it down in the center console area here. So you have a lot of awesome features. These seats are also heated and ventilated as well. You'll also notice that these floor mats have the Black Ops logo on them, and there's also a badge on the inside of the door. It says Black Ops 2020 edition, and then to control the LED light bar up front, we have that control right here. And then of course this is the full crew cab model, so just by opening up this door, you'll see we have a ton of storage space in the back. And one of my favorite features, you'll see you can open up this door to the backrest, just giving you some more storage space. They're finished off in leather and Alcantara just like up front. And then you can also adjust the lower section of the seat just to give you a little bit more space. All right, so getting our 1500 out on the road now, the first thing that I want to go over, as part of the Black Ops package, you get the speedometer recalibration. So with the larger tires, you can drive this right off the lot and not have to worry about that being off. You also get a really nice set of gauges. You can see Black Ops in the tach and the speedometer just to give it a very cool look. We have carbon fiber trim pieces everywhere and leather as well. So it just has a very premium feeling interior for a truck like this. So that's awesome to see. This truck also handles and rides just like a stock Silverado. So with this 3-inch lift kit, taking it around some of these turns, it's very well composed. So you're getting a well put together truck. A lot of thought went into piecing this truck together, and you're gonna have a great time driving this out on the road. And then with that aftermarket exhaust, it definitely gives this truck an aggressive sound to match the aggressive look. It's a very, very nice truck to drive. This truck also has a 3-year warranty on it as well. So it's backed by Tuscany, it's backed by Chevrolet, so you know you're getting a great truck. It's well put together, and you're gonna have a lot of fun driving this out on the road. So there's a look at one of our 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500s with the Black Ops package from Tuscany. Definitely an awesome truck, has a lot of great features. If you'd like to schedule your test drive to get this truck out on the road for yourself, you can check out all of our contact information down in the description.